Hello there, future Agile and Scrum experts. Are you looking to supercharge your career and become a master of project management? Well, you've come to the right place. Let me introduce you to the Agile and Scrum blueprint available at whatiscrum.org. This blueprint is not just a course, it's a transformational journey that will equip you with the skills and knowledge to navigate the dynamic world of project management. Here are the top 5 reasons why this is a small investment for a massive return. Number 1. Improved communication and teamwork. This blueprint will provide you with a clear structure for teamwork, leading to improved communication and sense of ownership. This is not only results in greater job satisfaction, but also paves the way for your professional growth. Number 2. Flexibility and adaptability. Transitioning to an agile framework like Scrum requires a new mindset and cultural adjustments. This blueprint will inspire a new sense of flexibility, creativity, and adaptability in you. Number 3. Incremental value delivery. The Agile and Scrum blueprint helps you deliver value incrementally in the collaborative way. It provides you just enough structure for you to integrate into your work while optimizing practices for your specific needs. Number 4. Faster product development. Agile and Scrum encourage product to be built faster. With the frequent planning and goal setting, you will be able to focus on current objectives and increase your productivity. And number 5, customer and user satisfaction. Projects run using Agile and Scrum approach often result in greater customer user satisfaction. This is because you will be delivering usable portion of the completed product quicker, allowing for feedback and improvements at every stage. So in rapidly changing world, Agile and Scrum process enables you to adjust smoothly to changing requirements, produce products that meets evolving business goals, and become part of a learning organization that can adapt to change. So are you ready to dive deeper into Agile and Scrum methodologies? Are you ready to transform your career and become a sought-after professional in your field? If yes, then don't wait. Invest in Agile and Scrum Blueprint today and embark on a journey towards success. Remember, this is not an expense, it's an investment in your future. And the best time to invest in your future is now. See you on the inside.